Alright, just make sure this thing's on. Alright, so I guess first and foremost, we got our whole little plan for today. So this is just where we update everything. Just whenever we work on a silo, we'll kind of say what we did and then add a date to it. So just a way to keep track and stay on top of things. Okay, let's do it. Kind of take you guys through the Flupsy. Did a video a couple videos back that was a glance at the Flupsy, but I kind of want to wear this little microphone and talk you guys through it. So that's what we're gonna do today. So what is a Flupsy? Flupsy is a floating upweller system. So floating FL upweller UP system SY Flupsy. Basically, you can think about it like it's a nursery for the baby oysters. Those two. I'm just looking through ones that I'm going to grade today. It looks like this, and the two on the end they're massive, so that's awesome. Let's see, it's July 30th, so 6 days ago we got another 200,000, and it looks like we got 100,000 in here, then another 100,000, and I'll show you guys the size of those. And again, I know on that last video you could see the difference between just like a month and a half. All right, so there's nothing too crazy. On our Flupsy we have, I guess, 1, 2, 3 main things. We've got our pipes here. We've got our silo, yeah, your big floating dock, and that's about it. Oh, and then your pump down below, that's your upweller part. That's pulling, basically it's pulling water up through these mesh screens on the bottom of these silos, and that's just creating a constant flow of nutrients for these little guys to feed on. That's that phytoplankton, algae, like different things that they're eating, and then whatever they don't eat or poop out essentially is all the waste that we come through and clean, so that it doesn't gunk up on the bottom of those screens. There's constant flow, and that's just constant food. So it's pretty cool to see how fast they can grow. And then obviously when you get your densities right in these things, like you don't want to fill them too much, or else it just slows down the whole process. So you can turn them around faster, and then you can order more. And I think that's what we're kind of tapping in on, which is cool. You know, that kind of pushes you to want to really get through these. And yeah, let's see. Bear with me on these. At least show the first 2 main steps of how we operate out here. I put these guys back in the water now. I'll show you. So again, this stuff came in July 24th. So there we go. Can you see those? That was a couple days ago. I'm going to be careful putting these back down. Don't want any coming out. All right. Get that pipe back in there. And then in the fall and winter, working the Flupsy, it can be a pain because it's cold. Your hands just inevitably get wet. Okay. We're just going to grade, clean later. These guys are huge. Holy moly. That's pretty awesome. Oh boy. Basically, I'm just letting the water drain out from that bottom mesh. Wow. I mean, that's crazy. Sweet. Scoop oysters into here, and then everything that's too small will fall through. Everything we want to keep will stay in here. We're mining for gold, and then I'll bag them and take them out. Here's what we're gonna grade right now. We're basically just trying to separate those two. game plan, because I'm not exactly sure how I'm gonna do this the most efficient. So rain check, 1 sec. Big scoop. These guys are going to go into bags at 500 and then out to the next. And everything that comes through here is going to be going back into the silo. Beautiful. Alright, so just finished up that first silo. We got empty silo here. We got all of our biggest stuff coming out. Smallest stuff that's gonna go right back in. Jeez. Smallest stuff that's gonna go right back in to the empty silo, and then we'll put that back over in the number 1 spot. And we're going to change this from needing grade to graded. I think it's the 30th. Cool. I'm gonna go grab silo 12. These things are growing. Okay. 9 and 10 are, we graded those a little while back, so those things just, when we grade them, there's less oysters in them. So again, that's just more room to grow. So sometimes you'll see that, like, that's why it's all about just getting silos graded and split and continuing to thin out densities, because the more you do that, that's the name of the game with most of this work out here. The more you can get oysters into like sizes, into you know, good densities, whether it's in silos or bags, that's when you're going to get the best product. And it starts here, obviously, but it's no different once you are dealing with like griller sorts or you know, just anything coming off the arrays. It's all about getting those oysters into similar sizing groups, and then when we put those back into clean bags or into silos or whatever it be, making sure that they're not overloaded or crowded. At the end of the day, in the back of your mind, when you're tired, it's a post tide series, you're just feeling it. In the back of your mind, you know oysters are going to grow. They're going to grow either way. You know what I mean? So, and that can be, you know, both a humbling part where, like, you know, you're not God out here. These things are resilient. They're really amazing products of the ocean, but not only that, I don't know if products of the ocean is the right way to say that. But anyways, you have, you know, both of those going for you and against you. Of they're gonna grow, so let that humble you. You know, don't be like, oh my God, I'm growing these oysters. Like, you're helping them grow. You know, heard that so many times. Like, I grow an oyster so fast. It's like, okay, calm down. And at the same time, though, knowing that they're so self-sufficient to a certain degree, a high degree, as well as resilient, you can let off the gas at times, and that's when you can get caught, you know, because then you're kind of backtracking. And I think one thing I've learned out here is when you stay ahead of it, man, it gives back. Like, the work gets easier. You'll start to see, you can get into a flow where it doesn't feel like you're constantly, like, you know, climbing through the mud, so to speak. These don't look as big. These don't look as big. Those look bigger. I'm gonna split this one. I'm gonna change that up. We're gonna split. I'm gonna split 12, and we are going to grade 11. Again, this silo was split. These two were split, so there's less in this. So, you know, there's a good chance that they kind of kick-started and grew a little bit faster. Silo 12's got quite a bit in it. We'll see. Let's see. It's like the water kind of magnifies them a little bit. Yeah. Yeah. Alright, I like this setup though. This thing works well. It's kind of nice not having to plug in the mechanical table because holy shit, it's loud. It is loud as shit. Cool. So definitely worth grading. Not seeing as big as stuff as that first silo, so wouldn't matter if I put them together. Wouldn't really make a difference, other than that's kind of me being picky. Like, you know, smallest stuff went through. This stuff looks like kind of medium, and then that was like the biggest stuff. So that's kind of how I'll continue grading these. So yeah, this is it's all big enough to go out, just not as big as that first stuff. So I want to keep everything as separated by size as possible. Again, just giving the most optimal opportunity for these things to grow as fast and as healthy as they can. There we go. I'm actually gonna, it's like flopping around on my t-shirt, so I'm gonna make a little zip tie necklace out of it or whatever. Back at it. We've got a different angle going. Keep things interesting. Let's get this moved around real quick. Oh. Alright. It's all about setting yourself up to getting your workflow nice and quick. So this will work. This will work just fine. Alright, gloves. That was the thing. When my hands are dry, I have enough calluses on my hands so that when I'm kind of wiping my hands over the grater, like now they're dry, so this won't hurt. When I'm doing kind of this part, get them to fall through. There's no cuts or anything, but man, the more soft my hands got from just the water moistening them, you get these little micro cuts, and then you get home into the shower or just washing your hands with hot water soap. It's just like, oh shit, I've got like 100 little cuts on my hands. All right, man, recording audio is a little bit tricky, but hopefully this is all coming through well. I think this will be my last silo for today, because I want to get out on the tide, and we're in step 1 right now. Well, I guess step 1 is when we dump the brand new seed into the silos, but essentially this is step 1 of like the real work process. Little break here. So we got 9. Yep. Just gonna go thin graded. 731. It's the 31st too. I said the 30th earlier, and now 9 is graded 731. Cool. Yeah, that makes sense. All right. All's good. All right. Time to bag stuff up. All right. Got my necklace back. We are farmers. Dun, 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 dun. We're bagging stuff up. All right, so I already did a grip of bags here, but these all have 500 in them. Basically, to know, you go through 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this little pile here, so 10 looks like 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. That's 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. Scoop those up, get a rough estimate on what that scoop looks like, and then just recreating that scoop. So it's the game plan right now. And tag it so that when we're out there, we know that these are triploids. So tagging this with the red bag again, triploid. And that is the process. Everything bagged, we'll head out in the water. Got our mic on, we're gonna get our drone up in the air, and then we're gonna head out there. All right. Ay. Too many things going on at once, huh? Kind of letting the water coast us in. See me hop out of the boat here, get an anchor out. Alright. So these are all bags, just after doing the process that I did today, and unclipped them from those bundles, clipped them down on the ground. Everything that you see on the ground under those bags is actually large oysters. So those are like what we will make our stew out of. Yeah, some big old guys. Clip them in bundles, and then next low tide, you know, that'll just be on the list of to-dos, coming out and getting those unclipped and clipped into pairs on that line, and then Yep, I'm almost over talking, but all right, come on. Final push here. Okay, I think that's a day.